Hello everyone, this is Amir from Famous3. Today I'll show two websites to check camera shutter count, especially Sony camera, but you can also check Nikon or Canon or other model from this website, but from second one you can check only Sony camera, and this is the second one, and I will show you step by step how to check your camera shutter count. So let's make it. It is really easy to check camera shutter count here, and you don't require any software. I will show two separate websites for shutter count, and first one is camerashuttercount.com. I will provide link of these two websites in description. So let's check first one. Just choose a file, and you have to choose a raw file, otherwise you will not get the result. After choose your file, upload. So this is my camera shutter count. So for 1186, as this is a new camera, so there is only 1186 shutter count. So you have got our shutter count from this website. We'll check another one, and this is Sony Camera shutter count tool. And this is pretty easy. You just have to drag your photo and leave it here. It will automatically show your result. This is also 1186, and this is also same 1186. So you have got the same result, and this is pretty accurate. So from this website you can calculate only Sony, but in this website you can calculate Nikon and Canon also beside your Sony camera. Some other model also available. So this is pretty easy. If you got any question, feel free to ask in comment section. We'll try to reply it. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.